Yo, what's up everybody? Matt here from CTM Customs. Check it out. I wanted to take a minute to talk to you about what we do here at CTM Customs. Here at CTM Customs, we offer two main services: aftermarket accessories and general repair. When I say aftermarket accessories, I'm talking about lift kits, lowering kits, gas and diesel performance, any additions that you can bolt onto a vehicle. We do the upfitting and we can sell you the parts. On the vehicle repair side of the house, we do anything from tie rod ends, wheel bearings, ball joints, engine repair, from as basic as an oil change all the way to your most complex repairs. I opened CTM Customs in 2009. We've been in business for 11 years. I feel like what separates us from the pack in the automotive industry is our customer experience. So let's be honest, we've all been customers before. So whether you're here for a $30 oil change or a full custom build, you're gonna receive the same customer service the moment you walk through the door. Whether you know exactly what you want or you have no idea, our team is here to walk you through the entire process. So why CTM Customs? The biggest thing I would tell you why CTM Customs is because I'm all in, my team is all in, everybody that works here is all in. We love our job, we love what we do, and we really want to make customers happy. We really want you to take your vehicle and go out on the street, and we want you to impress your friends and impress your family. And not with just how your vehicle looks or runs and drives, but we want you to impress upon them the relationship and the experience that you had at CTM Customs. It's very important for us to do this right and to do everything right the first time. We value the relationship that we build with you. Here at CTM Customs, we like to go the second mile. Everybody goes the extra mile. We want to go the second mile. We have a ton of work put in place with SOPs and paperwork and inspections that you won't see. But all of this is built so that when you drop your vehicle off at CTM, you can be assured that you're getting the best job done available. Trained technicians, automotive enthusiasts, guys that love their job. Nobody that shows up here hates showing up for work. We come to work here every day because we love what we do. So check it out. This is what I want you to do. Pick up the phone and call the shop. Get on the schedule. Let us do a free alignment inspection for you. Let us do a free safety inspection for you. I want you to come here and experience what we have going. I can talk about it all day, but until you come here and see how different we are, you can't really appreciate what I'm trying to tell you. All right guys, thanks for watching the video. And remember, follow us on all the social media platforms, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and we can't wait to add you to the CTM family.